In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to eBay buyer messages efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned seller or new to the eBay community, handling buyer inquiries is a crucial skill that can dramatically impact your seller rating and customer satisfaction. Let's walk through each step so you'll feel confident navigating this process. First things first, begin by logging into your eBay account. If you haven't done this in a while, it might take a moment to recall your login details, so make sure you have everything handy. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate your way to My eBay. Here you'll find a tab that says Messages. This is your hub for all communications between you and your buyers. Once you get into your messages, look for the specific inquiry you'd like to address. Click on the message and this will open the full thread for you. Seeing the entire conversation history is vital as it provides context and helps ensure that your response is relevant and informative. This step sets the foundation for a constructive dialogue with your buyer. Now, on to drafting your response. In the message box, type out your reply, focusing on being clear and concise. Aim to keep your communication polite and professional. Being courteous goes a long way in ensuring buyers feel valued, and maintaining a professional tone helps in conveying your seriousness as a seller. If you're answering a question, make sure your response is straightforward and informative. In some cases, you might need to provide additional information or documentation to support your message. This is where attachments come in handy. If you need to attach photos or files, such as tracking information or proof of product condition, simply click the photo icon located within the message interface. Attaching these files can often provide reassurance to the buyer, enhancing transparency and trust. Once you're satisfied with your response and any necessary attachments have been added, go ahead and click the send button. This last step will dispatch your message to the buyer, completing your end of the exchange. It's always a good idea to review your sent messages afterward to ensure everything is communicated as intended. By following these steps, you're set to handle buyer messages on eBay with ease. Remember, effective communication is not just about resolving issues, but also about fostering positive relationships with your customers. These interactions often lead to positive reviews and repeat business, which are invaluable to your success on eBay. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and happy selling on eBay.